How are you, sir? Doing good?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Good, excellent. Getting good shots?
Yep.
Okay, excellent.
I'm out in public filming.
Yeah. No, you do what you gotta do. I was just wondering where you parked at, because it's all industrial around here. There's really no parking except for private parking inside the businesses. Where'd you end up parking at?
Oh, I didn't park. I flew in by a magic carpet.
Okay, good. Well, have a great day. Enjoy that magic carpet.
Yep, you too.
What's up, everybody? This is News Now California. I had the pleasure of speaking with him this past week, and I really appreciate what he does and how he does it. Here are some snippets of some of my favorite audits. You've got to go check out his channel. If you do, let him know I sent you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, because it really helps us out.
We want this to go away. Instead of calling us names,
I'm on my job site, and you guys are.
Yeah, we're in public, dude. We have a right to film in public. We're not on your property.
Just, like, calling me names now.
You started it. Didn't you start it saying we're assholes? Think about it. You elevated it. You had to be derogatory, so f yourself.
Well, why are you filming on private property?
We have a right to film on public anything we see.
Yeah, but you're.
Hey, don't touch it, mother. What's his name? What's your BAS number? What's your name? I'm gonna find out who the f you are.
Well, you probably have an idea who we are. Why are you filming this?
I'm doing a little video diary.
What?
A video diary of my life. I got short-term memory. So when I look at it tomorrow, I'll remember what I did today.
Hey sir, you can't be videoing here.
What's that?
You gotta have a permit to video here.
Permit? Is this open to the public? Right here?
Yeah, but you, on a government facility, you gotta have a permit to be filming out here.
What law is that? What law is it?
It's part of it's the county law that you go to be on a government facility. You have to be. You cannot film on government property. You got to have a permit. Everybody that comes out from the TV stations, they have to go to the office and get a permit to video out here.
Well, I guess I'm going to challenge you on that, because that may be your policy. It's not law. I have a legal right to film in public, and they want you to enforce the policy. And policy doesn't trump my right to film in public. I'm not going into the building. I'm out here in public. It's publicly accessible. So when you tell me what you told me, you can't state a law, and I understand that, because there is no law. It's a First Amendment protected activity, and that's why I'm out here. I'm out here to educate you and others that we have a right to film in public.
Excuse me, sir.
How you guys doing today?
Doing good.
What's your purpose out here?
Oh man, just filming.
What are you filming for?
Just to keep it for myself. I like to film nice, beautiful government buildings. Why? What's going on?
Well, usually it's a little suspicious when people start videotaping the government buildings. So
Suspicious?
What about
What's
us?
suspicious about it?
it's not normal.
It's not normal? According to who? I mean, you can't deem holding a video camera suspicious behavior. You know that, officer. And as I explained to this individual, that he says we need a permit to film here. I don't need a permit. I'm out in public. I have a legal right to film. I'm not going in the building. Anything I can see from public, and this is public accessible, I can film. So he's enforcing policy. The policy is you guys don't like filming, but the filming doesn't, the policy doesn't trump our right to film in public. It's a First Amendment protected activity, and that's why I'm out here. That's exactly our purpose of being out here, is to educate you that we have a legal right to film in public.
Who are you to educate me?
Huh?
Who are you to educate me?
Well, you're giving me an order.
I didn't give you any orders, first of all.
Okay, so I have a legal right to do it. Is that what you're saying? Huh? Is that what you're saying? Why don't you kick rocks, man?
I'll stand right here just like you are, right? Public property?
Yeah.
I'll stand here too.
Yeah, you're a tough guy, aren't you?
No?
Yeah, you're a tough guy. Who am I to educate you?
Who are you?
Yeah, who are you? You're a guy in a costume.
You said you wanted
You're
to
a guy in a
educate me.
costume.
I'm asking you to educate me and who you are to
No,
educate
you told me
me.
who am I to educate you. You come off
Who
all
are you?
aggressive.
I didn't come off aggressive in any way.
You can call me.
I have my hands in my pockets. I'm aggressive?
Yeah, in your tone of voice.
So you guys are creating a disturbance now, so now you have to leave. Okay?
We have clients who are
Don't
very
touch me.
upset that
Okay.
you film
Don't touch
them.
me, rude. Is that really your last name, rude? Don't
Why,
touch
you
me.
have a problem with that?
Don't touch me. Your breath stinks.
Do you have a problem with that?
Get the away from me.
Why? This is in the public.
Get the away from me.
This is in the public.
Get the away from me.
This is in the public.
Look at this. Touching me.
This is in the public.
Get back. Get
Why?
back. Get back.
This is in the public.
Get back. You're not a police officer. Get back.
This is in the public.
Back.
This is in the public.
Get away from me.
You get away from me.
Look at.
Don't hit me, man.
You know you're not supposed
You
to.
just hit me.
You're gonna
I'm
lose.
in the public. I'm in the public.
Yeah, but it doesn't give you the
Do you know
right
how
to
many
hit
people
me.
lost their job because of me?
Good.
Sure, I've got witnesses and I've got film that I haven't hit anybody.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, okay.
I've got my witnesses. I've got my witnesses.
You're a damn fool. Okay? You go around bullying people like that around here? Why do you think we're here? Because of you.
No, because of you. I'm not bullying you.
Get back away from me.
This
You're
is public.
violating my personal space. I think you're the one that needs
You
help.
have none.
You're the one that needs mental help.
You have no personal
You're the one that
space.
needs mental help,
You're
sir.
in public.
You came out here to tell me. Why do you think I'm in here? Because of you. And the Fourth Amendment violations that are going on in here. Everything's on film, sir. I have nowhere to go. You're standing right in front of me. I wish to leave now. I wish to leave now. Step away from me. I wish to leave. Step away from me.
There's the door.
You're in front of me. I cannot move. Step away from me.
I'm
There's
seeing
the door.
plenty of.
Step away from me.
I'm seeing plenty of space for
Step
him
away
to-
from me.
There's the door.
There's
Step
the door.
away from
I'm
me.
seeing plenty of space for him to move freely. He can move freely towards the door, no
Step
problem.
away from me.
He can move towards the door without any problem. I see that there's plenty of room for him to move towards the door.
What's your name, ma'am?
You're fucking laughing. Suits you well.
She won't identify in this hiding. We'll get her name. We've got her photo. Look her up on Transparent California.
So, may I ask what are you doing here?
Who are you?
Okay, I'm the postal employee. May I ask, may I see your ID? Or what
Can
are
I
you doing?
see your ID?
I'm right here. No, I'm wearing a uniform.
What?
I'm wearing a uniform right now.
What'd you say?
This is a federal building and I'm on a uniform right now. What are you doing right here, sir?
I'd suggest you take about 2 steps back and I'm going to defend myself.
I'm gonna call the police because you're supposed not to do on anything video on the federal building.
Do you understand that I'm on a public sidewalk?
No, okay. You stay right there, okay?
Okay. No, you stay right here.
How you doing today, sir?
Good, man.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything's fine. These guys are just going off. It's a waste of resources for you
Okay.
coming out here.
Yeah.
I'm on a public sidewalk.
Yeah, what's going on? You said they're going off. The post office employees?
Yeah. The guy I'm on a public sidewalk filming, and the guy walks all the way from there, comes right up into my face,
Oh, yeah?
right into my face, tells me I'm not allowed to film this building. Would
Can
you
I
like
get your
it?
name so I know who I
No.
speak to?
My name's Good Citizen.
Good citizen?
Yeah.
You don't want to give me your name?
No, I don't need to give my name. I haven't committed any crime, have I?
No, not that I'm aware of.
Right.
Hi.
How you doing?
Who are you with?
I'm an independent Journalist.
Okay. As an independent journalist, you need permission to film on federal property. Are you aware of that?
Yeah, I certainly am. I do this all the time.
Okay, and do you have a permit?
I sure do.
Can I see your permit?
Permit? You have
Yes.
a poster that allows it. Department of Homeland Security allows it.
No, it does not.
Sure it does.
No, it doesn't.
Have you dealt with this before?
Yes, I have.
Okay, it allows it. Call the police.
We are calling the police as
Good,
we speak.
good.
So you have a choice. You can either step outside and wait for the police department,
Sure.
or I can remove you from this premise.
You're going to physically remove me?
Yes, I will.
You're going to touch me?
No, I'm going to escort you out.
How are you going to do that without
I'm
touching
gonna,
me?
I'm going to have to ask you to leave, sir.
Okay, and if I refuse to leave,
And are
you're
you
gonna
filming now?
physically-
Are you filming now?
Sure.
Okay, do you know that you are not allowed to film someone?
Sure I do. You're in public.
Really?
Yeah, you have no expectation of privacy.
This is a federal building?
It's public lobby.
No, it's not.
This isn't a public lobby?
This is a federal
This is a
estate.
public lobby.
Okay,
I know
sir,
what I'm doing.
Now you've spit on me. I'm going to ask you to leave
I'm not
right now.
spitting on you.
You just
Don't-
did.
don't make up lies.
You just spit.
Don't make up lies.
Check your film, sir.
Don't make up
I need
lies.
you to leave.
And if I don't?
You need to leave.
You're going to physically remove me?
Can
don't
I please?
touch me. You touch me, it's battery.
Okay, it's
Take
not
your
bad.
hands off me.
I'm not.
Take your hands off me. You touch me again,
I'm asking
that's
you
assault.
to leave. No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Don't take your hands off me.
Okay, I'm going to ask you to leave.
Take your hands off me.
I'm going to ask you to leave.
Take your hands off
I'm
me.
going to ask you to leave, sir. Can you please leave?
Don't touch me, man.
I'm asking you to
I'm going to
leave.
file a citizen's arrest on
Please.
you for touching me.
I'm asking you to leave.
Okay.
Can you please leave?
For what?
You need to leave now.
For what?
Because you're not allowed to be filming.
I have the memo
Yeah.
from your post office that allows it.
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't?
Show me it. Show me your permit as well.
No, here's the
That
memo.
gives you authorization to film on federal property.
Right here.
This is not a permit.
Well, then I don't need a
Let me have your
permit.
permit.
No, you
Let me
just
have your
asked for it?
Yeah.
Hey, what are you doing, man?
Okay, thank you.
It's not yours.
This is not mine. You just left it there.
Hey, this is the permit.
Okay.
That's from the Department of Homeland Security. You want to read it? Read it.
I'm reading it right now.
Read it. And you'll get educated. When the police come, they're going to
Sure.
educate you. But
Okay,
you
good.
but you say you deal with this all the time. So why
Sir?
are you reading it now?
Sir, let me ask you this.
No, don't ask me anything.
Really?
Yeah, don't ask me anything. Read
so,
that.
So why
Just
are you
read
here?
To see
Why
if-
are you filming?
I'm here.
Because you've been yelling at me. You've
No.
spit on me because you're talking so close to me.
Take that out
and
of
now
your
you're
hands.
ripping that out of your
Wait
hands.
for the cops. You're going to
Okay,
get assault
so,
charge.
Sir, I now have a whole lobby of witnesses.
For what? Did I grab something?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
Yeah, you're an ass, dude.
Really?
Yeah, you're an ass.
Right,
You
now you're
touched
calling
me.
me names.
Yeah, you touched
So
me.
now you're threatening me by calling me names.
I didn't threaten you. I
I'm
said
on-
you're an ass.
No. That's,
no.
that's calling me a
Go
name.
back in there, dude.
No, your lack of
You don't have-
respect.
Hey,
your
you
lack
got
of
no respect, dude.
And your sense of
You got no
whatever this
respect. You
is,
touched me.
You're interrupting me. You're argumentative. You're yelling at me. You're ripping things out of my hand.
Yeah, you took it out of my hand.
You spit
took
on
this.
me, and yet
Make
I'm
it up,
the bad
dude.
guy.
Make it up.
It's
Make
on
it up.
your film.
Make it up, dude.
It's on
Make
your
it up.
film, sir.
You're full of shit, dude.
Now you're cussing again.
Yeah.
So
you.
I don't know. There you go. Now you're threatening me, telling me to me.
That's a threat.
Thank you very much.
Doesn't your wife tell you that?
Do not come back in here. The police will be here, and I'm having you arrested.
You.
Okay. Now you've threatened me twice.
You. That's the third time. I'll wait for the cops.
Now I've got 20 witnesses.
Yeah, you. That's the fourth time.
Really?
Yeah, you gonna touch me?
Really?
You gonna go to jail?
Really? Are you gonna go to jail?
No, I won't. I do this. Hey, stay off me. You trying to touch me?
Come on.
You trying to touch me?
Come on, film.
You gotta have permission from the county. So,
From the county?
yeah.
Is this open to the is this open to the public here? We're in here. Is this a
Yes,
public
but
lobby?
yes, but before you walk in here with that, you gotta have permission to record.
We'll call the police.
Right.
Can you stop videotaping until the police come?
No, but what we'll do is we'll
can you
wait
just
here
wait
for 'em.
outside?
Can you wait outside
Sure,
till the police come?
We'll wait right here.
And if you're in your right, then we can't stop you.
No, that's fine.
Yeah.
Are you going to have him apologize?
No.
No? Oh, then we'll stay in here and videotape then. If you're not going to have him apologize, we're going to stay in here and videotape.
Don't lose your job over this.
Good advice. Good advice. That's good advice. Don't lose your job over it.
That concludes our video for today. Please subscribe and turn on all notifications so you never miss a video. If you're old here, like, share, comment down below what you think of this interaction, and consider a channel membership or merch to further support the channel. If you have an incident you'd like us to review, link it down below or contact us through the social media platforms linked in the description.